Hi everybody! This Tuesday is Mardi Gras, and Mardi Gras is a day of lots of colors and sparkles and masks. So today I'm going to show you how to make a Mardi Gras mask. To do this project, you will need your craft kit from the library. This craft kit will include a bag full of art supplies and the paper mask. From home, you'll need a pair of scissors, a glue stick, and some markers, if you choose to, and some crayons will work too. To start off our project, I'm going to separate the mask from the bag of art supplies, and I'm going to cut it out. Now it's time to cut out the eyes. This part's a little bit tricky. You're going to fold it right on the eye right there, take your scissors, and give it just a little snip right there. Then when you open it up, there's a hole on the inside of the eye. So you're going to stick your scissors through the hole, and now you're going to cut on the line. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing on the other eye. Now you have your mask with the two eyes cut out. Now it's time to start decorating. So I'm going to take my bag, dump all the stuff out of it. Each bag has all sorts of different things inside. There's some shapes, some big dots, some little dots, nice and sparkly, some feathers, and some stickers. This part is totally up to you. You can decorate your mask however you want to. Alright, now my mask is nice and beautiful. So I'm going to flip it over. Oh, there's one more sticker there. I'm going to take the stick and I'm going to glue it right on the side right there. I'm going to actually use tape instead of glue. There it is. A very cool, sparkly Mardi Gras mask.